The purpose of this video is to instruct cadets on Detachment 190's flag detail procedures. Cadets will start in the cadet lounge wearing their covers. Detail commander will call room to attention as key bearer retrieves the key and the color bearer retrieves the colors. Detail commander will fall in the detail and be in the front of the formation, followed by the color bearer and the key. Commander will call post and the key bearer will hold the door. The commander will call a forward march and the key bearer will join the formation once everyone goes through the door. The flag does not retreat. Everyone does facing movements except for the color bearer, who will do J steps. The detail marches to the doors outside the flagpole and halts in front of the north door. The commander will call post and the key bearer will post to the door. After this, a forward march will be called and the detail will march to the north side of the flagpole. The key bearer will join the formation as it passes. Halt will be called as the colors come to the center of the flagpole. The left face will be called, followed by post. The commander will be on the west side of the flagpole and will catch the halyards when they are lowered to help attach the colors. The key bearer will post to the east side of the flagpole and open the lockbox to lower the halyards. Remember to bring the key to flag detail. When both of the halyards are lowered all the way, the commander and the color bearer will attach the flag properly to the halyards. Both the commander and the color bearer will come to attention, and the commander will give a present arms. The key bearer will hoist the colors as fast as possible. Once the rope is secure, the key bearer will salute and hold their salute until the commander calls an order arms. Afterwards, the commander will call post. The key bearer will do a right face, take one pace forward, followed by another right face, and march to the armory door to hold it open. The color bearer will do a left face, and the commander will position themselves in front of the color bearer. The commander will call a forward march, and the key bearer will join the formation as it passes. The detail will halt just inside of the doors, and the commander will fall out the detail. This concludes Reveille. Retreat will begin with cadets falling in at the doors just outside the flagpole. The commander will fall in the detail with the commander in the front, the color bearer in the middle, and the key bearer to the rear. The commander will call post and the key bearer will hold the door. The commander will call forward march and the key bearer will join the detail as it passes. The commander will call halt once the color bearer is centered on the flagpole. A left face will be given, followed by a post. Once the key bearer unlocks the rope, a present arms will be called. The colors will be lowered slowly, and once it is in reach of the color bearer, he will drop his salute and grab the colors while the commander helps unfasten the halyards. Once the colors are secured by the color bearer, the commander will return to saluting as the halyards are returned to the top of the flagpole. Once the rope is secure, the key bearer will present arms and the commander will call order arms. After this, the detail must position themselves in the proper formation to fold the flag. The commander will call post and position themselves on the east side of the formation. The colors will rotate to the left and the key bearer will position themselves on the south side of the colors to make sure that they are not dropped while the flag is being folded. To fold the colors, the commander and the color bearer will grab each corner of the flag with the color bearer holding the star side of the flag. The corners will be brought together twice and open to flick off any dirt or debris. This process will be repeated again with the stars facing down. After this, the commander will fold the flag in triangles with a cheater fold to begin the folding of the flag. The commander will continue to fold in triangles until he comes to the end of the flag, and it will be tucked in. The key bearer continues to move along to make sure that the flag is not dropped. Once the end of the flag is tucked in, the commander will thrust the flag into the arms of the color bearer, and the commander will call post. The key bearer will move to the armory doors to hold the north door, while the commander positions themselves in the front of the color bearer. Once the door is secure, a forward march will be called, and the key bearer will join the detail as it passes. The detail will march up to the cadet lounge, and the color bearer will do J-steps instead of facing movements, while the rest of the detail does facing movements. When the detail reaches the cadet lounge, the commander will call halt and then post as the key bearer opens the door for the detail. The room will be called to attention as the detail enters the room. The colors will then be secured in the bottom drawer of the cabinet, and the commander will fall out the detail.